Hi, it's Hattie Crafter. Today is January 28th, 2016, and this is my Harbor Breeze Mayfield without the light kit. We took it off, and I will review it for you. Now, as you can see, if you can see, I taped up the light switch, and I'm going to turn the fan switch on high, and I'll go up to my bed, and here's the pull chain. First, I'll start with high-speed updraft. Now let me point when I say look. Okay, now as you can see, look at the things. See how much they're moving? And then if you look at the masks, you can see that they are moving. Now I will do medium speed. Sounds a lot different without the bowl on it. It's still moving. Still moving. Now low. They might be still moving once it gets down to low speed. It's still moving. Pretty powerful fan for its size, isn't it? Yes. Now, the reversing switch is right here. Now, flip it to downdraft, stop the blades. I'll do a high downdraft. Okay, now as you will hear, there will be a distinct, roaring noise. And you can probably hear the wind noise. Not medium. This is all I have to say. It's just the fan because I took the light kit off. There's no light kit to show. But it's a good thing this is taped up because if this is left on, probably it'll keep putting electricity to the fan and then it'll just waste electricity. Now low speed. That will be my review on this Harbor Breeze Mayfield 44-inch white fan ceiling fan. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!